A subject refers to an important element that runs throughout the entire video. In short dramas, actors, scenes, and props are different types of subjects. In promotional videos, products and models are subjects. Above the script node, there is a subject extraction command. After clicking it, a new node named Subject Extraction will be generated. Click to activate the node, and you can see the text model selection here. Click Extract Subject directly. By default, it will extract character, scene, and prop information. After generation is complete, enter full screen mode to view the result. Here, AI generates the subject index table and subject prompts based on the script information. These two pieces of information are very important. They determine whether the number of subjects in the entire video is complete and whether the descriptions of the subject images are accurate. Before generating the reference images, the information here can also be edited and modified. The first method, above the subject extraction node, there are separate generation buttons for characters, scenes, and props. After clicking them one by one, 3 node groups will be created automatically. At this point, the system has automatically created 3 groups of image nodes for you. You need to check the prompts and other settings again, then manually click to start generation. You can also activate the group and choose to run the entire group. The second method is to import images from your local device to the canvas. Please note that you need to name the imported images first. The names must be consistent with the names in the subject list. For the 2 methods above, no matter which one you choose, after completing the generation of the subject reference images, the next step is to add these reference images to the subject library, which is located in the menu at the bottom of the canvas. You can add them one by one. Select an image node, right-click it, and choose Create Subject. Check the name and category, then add it. You can also add them in batches by group. Click to activate the group, then choose Create Subject from the commands above to add it. Here, we would like to emphasize the purpose of the subject library. First, when you generate images or videos later, you can easily reference these subjects without repeatedly importing images or connecting nodes to specify characters. Second, when multiple people collaborate on the same project, other team members can also reference these subjects in other canvases. This ensures subject consistency. When multiple people divide the image generation work, reduces a lot of repetitive work and also keeps the reference images in the subjects synchronized when they are updated. The first method, open the subject library, hover your mouse over the image, and click Apply. At this point, the system will automatically load this image onto the canvas. After we create an image or video generation node, we can see a plus icon above the prompt field. Click it to view the information in the subject library. Select the image you want to reference and click Add, and the image will appear in the reference bar. You can also hover your cursor over the image to remove the reference. The second method, click and drag the image output button on the right side to use it as a reference and create a new node. In a newly created canvas, open the subject library and apply the image to the canvas in the same way. You can also click the plus icon in an image or video node to view the subject library and add a subject.